still sucks to drive.
Just do it. Just do it. Wait, just in focus, yeah? It's on 10.
Oh, why is there always traffic? G'day.
Hello. What are we doing today, Benny?
We have a couple of car meets to go to. We're going to a Powatone barbecue / gathering.
You know Powatone from the dude that helped us do the roll cage, Roy. So he's hosting like a open workshop kind of thing. Invited pretty much the whole entire car scene from Canberra. Yeah. So it should actually be pretty cool when we get there. So going to hang out there for a while, have some food, check out some cars, and then we're heading to the All Japanese Car and Bike Show pre-event.
Yeah, so this one is the sound off. So just big dual systems basically.
So it should be kind of cool. It'll be interesting anyway. There's not really that many events like that in Canberra specifically, so it'll be interesting. Expect another video from that. We'll see you at Powatone and check out some cool cars and have some good food. Keen.
Enjoy.
Ciao.
Oh, get out of the way.
Also, we got Ben's car back, as you would have seen. So we're going to both events in Ben's car.
32 is life.
You have to see all its excellent paint in the sunlight now.
Yeah, it's pretty terrible.
But it's fun. And it looks pretty cool.
Alright. Still sucks to drive it.
Powatone. Oh. Oh, darn it. Playground deck. Hello. Velmo. Oh, where are we gonna park? Anyway. Yep. Is it recording? Yep. Hello. Hello. It's so cold. Checks on. Always come with the Evo squad.
Look at this. It's 100.
Do you want?
All of the
above. A couple.
Two?
Yeah, two's good.
Yeah, so a lot of the gardening.
Oh, yeah? Emilio.
It's too hot.
Is it hot?
Eating.
Look at the way he's holding his cup. Oh, want a rib, mate? Oh, that is good ribs. Kebab tech, bro. Kebab tech. That's enough out of you. BBQ free hair colour.
What the hell?
I'm really not sure.
Yeah, so Roy owns both of these. Very cool. So like race car drift car is now new daily street car.
God damn it, it's cold.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you gave
I'm
me.
actually stoked with these.
He gave me one as well.
I don't know if you explained it before, but yeah, I designed these for Roy and he finally got them printed and I'm like super hyped on them. Got like cool hollow print. Super cool.
Yeah.
We actually ordered our stickers in the same material too, like our logo one, so
Yeah.
get keen for those. They should be here next week.
Holy hell, it's cold.
You know what owner is, right?
Yeah, mate. I fiend a good bit of
Right,
owner.
Powatone. Just got Ben's nose in it.
Schnoz.
What's the...
Oi, they're having their own meat.
There's actually an MPS meet going on, what the hell?
Yeah, legit though.
That's
They're
the
having
boys.
their own meat.
When there's an actual car meet just around the corner.
Yeah, they could have been at a sick meet. And they're like, nah, let's bang out at the good guy.
That's weird.
Just finished up at the Powatone meat and barbecue.
Roy put on a good feast, then barbecue ribs, baby. Woo. Nah, thanks heaps, Roy, that was sick. Yeah, can't wait for the next event.
And we are now on our way to the AJCBS event number 3, the sound off at BDL Cast area.
Yeah, so you would have seen our previous video at the All Japanese Car and Bike Show. We'll put a link up for that. This is like their next pre-event kind of thing. So it's at the car stereo shops. They're having like a sound off. So it should be lots of interesting cars. So you'll actually see that video next week. So we're going to break this up. So this is capping off the Powatone video, and then stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll see the Japanese car show next week.
In the next vid.
So we'll see you then, people.
Thanks for watching.
Take care.
Corey, should we go?
Yep.
It's coffee time, I think.
What the hell?